This is the Sweepovac vacuum cleaner system for your kitchen, and this is my install. So before I started, I went ahead and wired up another plug on the inside of the peninsula for the wiring for the vacuum cleaner. This is an exterior plug. I wired it in series with that and put it in here. So, first thing you want to do is get out your template for the Sweepovac. It says it's a 13 3/4 wide by 4 1/8 tall. So you want to look at where you're going to install it. And I got a tape measure. And I measured this distance. It's about 21 inches. So 21 inches divided by 2 is 10 1/2. So took the template and said, oh well, what's half of 13 3/4, and it's about 6 5/8. So I made a line at 6 5/8, and I took the tape measure and put my 6 5/8 line at 10 1/2. So next, I have to score the template. So I used a pencil. Make sure I got this. Ten and a half on that line. And you just mark around the edge with a pencil. And then you have your template's edges. So next, you have to drill a hole in these corners. So I'm going to take my drill. This is a hole saw. And I'm going to drill in the corner. There's one hole in one corner. That came out. Next I need to do it in this corner. Now I have my corners drilled, I have to take a jigsaw with a wood blade and cut out the rest of the template. You want to be careful not to cut the floor out or cut on the floor, so you want to get as close as possible and then kind of just work it out. So I'm going to cut this along this edge. Look at that, wiring and wood. Use an X-Acto knife to finish this cut right here. If I can. Alright, there's that. So, we got our hole cut out. Next, we want to get our vacuum and make sure it's level. This thing comes with an adjustment screw in the rear. So, grab your torpedo level, 6-inch level. And you just want to make sure it's level. Alright, this needs a little bit of adjustment. Come up on the rear. And we're in between the bubbles. Level. So now that I got it level, I'm going to put a piece of tape on this because when you slide it in, this thing tends to turn. And I might have a problem because this wiring is in our way. So we'll see. This wiring might be in our way. So I'll do a test fit and see how it fits in there real quick. So I'll have to lower it because level is above where it needs to be. Way above. So our wiring is kind of in the way. So yeah, our wiring's in our way. We need to get some more slack somewhere so this thing can fit in there right. So, got a little bit more slack in there. I can push the vacuum in all the way. So now I got it in all the way. Come back with a real vacuum cleaner and clean up some of this mess that we just made. Pause it. Now that I cleaned up a little bit, I'm going to save a little bit so we can test out the vacuum once it's installed. It's got this faceplate on here. It's stainless steel. They have a, or close to stainless steel. They have a white one in the package also if you have a white kitchen with white appliances. So I'm going to remove these 4 faceplate bolts. This is a 2.5 millimeter. I don't know if it's standard or not, but that's what I have. 2.5 works on this. Three. 4. And this plate comes off. It has 4 mounting holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now before we do that, we want to put the plug in. Here's the plug that it came with. I want to force or feed this through this hole inside of the cabinet. Here's a hole right here. And I want to feed this through it. If it'll fit, I might have to make it bigger. Aha! So, I'm going to feed a lot of this wire through because it's just a wasted wire, a whole lot. I'm going to plug this in right here. Grab this wire. I'll plug it into the Sweepovac. Now it's plugged in, we can test it. Works, and it's pretty loud. So now we know it works. We're going to pull this plug and this wire, the extra wire through here. Alright, now I got that going. Just feed all this extra wire back in here. Don't need it. Just going to feed it all back in here. More slack. I had this earlier.
Does it already have a bag in it?
What?
Does it already have a bag in it?
It already has a bag in it. Alright. So now I got it up there. Take the 4 screws that they come with. And look at that. They actually provided me an Allen key, and I didn't even see it. So I'm going to use my drill. Take the whole saw off. Use these 4 bolts, 4 screws, and go through. And that one missed. So, I'm going to move this thing over some. Alright, there it is. It's installed. And all we have left is to put the plate over it. Like that. And screw all the screws back in. If it goes. That one doesn't want to. One. Could put this screw up a little bit higher off the floor. It's real close. Two. Three, and the last one right here. Four. Now it's done. So let's try it out. I'm going to sweep this mess right over here to it and turn it on, just like it shows. Just like that, no more mess.